All right, what is going on? Good morning and welcome to the channel. All right, check this out. We've got extra fog out this morning, and FSD doesn't do the best in fog. It depends, you know, sometimes it has some issues seeing through, but this morning we've got a pretty dense fog out here with the snow, so we're gonna test out FSD this morning and see how it does. So yeah, here we go. We are coming out from Arlington, Virginia, and we are headed towards Loudoun County area, and kind of going opposite to traffic this morning, which is good. And you know, we're right here in the DC DMV area. You know, a lot's been going on here lately, especially with Elon Musk. We kind of welcomed him in as a DMV resident. He officially, you know, he's got an office over here now in the White House. I'm kidding, I don't really know if he's got an office or not, but he does give remarks from the Oval Office himself, just like the president would do, which is kind of remarkable. And then seeing him bring little X up in the Oval Office, having him on his shoulders is quite the, you know, for someone like me who definitely looks up to him as far as, like, you know, way to handle your business, you know. He's definitely a good person to look up to in that sense. So what we got to do here is we got to take over, because I didn't put anything in the navigation, so this way it knows where I want to go. But anyways, Elon now officially, you know, is really making things happen here, and I'm noticing people are starting to wake up to the fact that they can lose their jobs. You know, remote work is like a big deal in this area. Everyone works remote. Literally everybody works remote, and it's pretty intense to see these people now feeling like their jobs don't matter unless they go into work. I'm not sure, you know, who started this. Is this Elon's thing? Is this Trump's thing? But either way, you know, it's affecting the DMV area. It is affecting the DMV area quite a bit, and it's gonna be interesting to see, you know, how this pans out with DOGE. Alright, so mind you, I didn't have anything in my navigation, so FSD is being a little sporadic this morning. I wasn't paying attention. Plus, it does mess up in the morning sometimes when I'm trying to get on the toll road. But it's not the toll road, it's 66, and heading in that direction doesn't cost any money, so I have tolls turned off, but for some reason it doesn't want to go down that road. So the fog is getting pretty intense this morning. Check this out, like, we've got some proper fog going here. So I'm gonna have to take over again because it won't get on to 66, but what I really want to show you guys is how it does do once it gets onto 66. And this is the latest version here too, with end-to-end, so we've got hurry mode going and everything. You know, now that Elon is experiencing DMV traffic, he had to make sure hurry mode was enabled around here so he can get around in time, because our traffic is really messed up around here. So that's one thing. Hopefully, you know, can get better over time, but if there's one way you want to fix it overnight, it's getting into a Tesla. You know, you can pretty much replace your commute with FSD, and it does all the driving for you, and it's like a personal chauffeur, and you really won't believe it until you try it out for yourself, and highly recommend doing that, or listen to one of your coworkers or friends or family members who actually have made the transition over to electric and self-driving, and go ask them and sit with them for one day and ask them to sit in the driver's seat and give it a test. go take it around your neighborhood, put it through situations where you think it couldn't do. Like, go to your like regular stomping ground areas and see how FSD does for you. I think that's the only way to really truly tell, because there's always going to be people that are going to tell you that no, this technology is crap and it doesn't work. Yet here we are in the fog, in the snow, in the morning, to top it all off, because no one wants to drive in the morning, with FSD doing its thing here while I'm sipping coffee. So here's where it always messes up too. I need to go left, so I gotta take over. But I want to show you all how it handles the highway situation. See, it's a vehicle departing lane, so it noticed that I was like getting out of the lane. And this is like a regular non-autopilot feature. Just, this is Tesla always warning you while it's driving, try to make you a better driver nonetheless. All right, so this morning we're gonna be getting on to 66, heading towards Tyson's Corner. Watch how my navigation is gonna change and update as soon as I get on 66. Right now it's saying I'm gonna arrive at 7:57, which is right on the dot. I'd like to get there a little earlier. So let's see now when it says when I get on 66 what my ETA is gonna be. And I don't know why the maps won't include this 7:39. Once again, now it's telling me to take 267, which is not the way I want to take, and that is a toll road, so it's doing exact opposite to what I didn't want it to do here, which is take what's not a toll road. Anyways, it's doing a really great job by keeping this car into account and merging in, and this is really what I wanted to show you all, how it merges onto 66. Notice with hurry lane, with hurry mode, I've got it on to 75 max, which I don't think it's gonna even get that fast, but at least this way it has the chance to, if the rest of traffic is going that fast this morning. But yeah, here we go with the lane switch. Very natural lane switch. Did it at a great pace, naturally, very comfortably. I felt, yeah, good about that lane change, and really good about this last one here too. So just like that, we are officially on the highway. I'm gonna hit end trip so it doesn't mess with the lane switching to get on the toll road, because we don't want to get on the toll road. Once again, we're gonna try to figure out a way around that navigation glitch, because right now it's having to use, turning it on and off is not the best way, but nonetheless it still works. But yeah, anyways, as you can see here, FSD doing its thing in the heavy dense fog, no problem. And yeah, let me know if you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And thanks again for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.